Hi, to open gallery on your Nothing CMF phone, you have two ways. So basically you won't find like a default gallery app in this phone, but we can still find all of our photos with the help of two apps. First one is this Google Files app. You can find it in your app drawer, and after you opened it, in this recent tab you'll see all of your photos, also created by folders and categories such as screenshots, videos, and images. So you can tap see all and check all of your photos. Here from all switch to camera, for example, or screenshots, and we can easily manage our photos from here. And the next way how we can find our photos and videos is by opening this Google Photos app. Here just allow some of the permissions like that. And now we can find basically the same thing. So we can find all of our Google Photos. And of course photos on this device. You can see those categories. You can go in collections and check screenshots, for example, or videos recently added, archived, and locked. You can search for something here. You can tap on your profile and enable backup. And basically that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.